Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Nova Y91 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So as you can see, my device blacked out too fast, at least too fast for me. So in order to change it, I will have to enter the settings. Then let's find display and brightness, and here we've got the sleep option. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, we've got relatively short options at the top, so 15 and 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5, or 10 minutes. So in order to set different sleep time, simply tap on the option like this. I will pick 5 minutes, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.